Are you trading multiple accounts? Is it difficult to update the trailing stop loss quickly when the price is rising very fast? Yeah, I will give the best solution for you. Come on, let's see. Yeah, here I have easily updating trailing stop loss for 4 accounts. Just one click. I will explain how I can do this. After that, in upcoming videos, I will briefly explain how to place order for multiple accounts using Excel, MT4 and Chartink. This approach is purely algo based. After the buy order is executed, immediately place the sell stop loss. Your trailing stop loss will automatically updated based on your user settings. Okay. Yeah, thank you and welcome to our Trade Wizard channel. Yeah, the first step is to refresh our API token and then client script will be downloaded from the broker side. Okay. This needs to be done by the admin on daily basis. Yeah. Then display the total capital amount for each clients here. Okay, we will provide some settings for handling the order execution. If is trade enable is on, then only order will be placed in the particular user. Otherwise, order will not be placed. Okay. If the client subscription is expired, you can deactivate that particular client using the is active settings. Also here TOTP status also is available. Okay. Yeah. In this section, client details are available. Now we will log into Alice Blue trading account using the TOTP. Yeah, here we can get a TOTP details for all users. Okay. Yeah, yeah, login success. Okay. Yeah, check here order. Okay, no orders are available in this trading account. Yeah. Now we are on manual order screen. Okay. Here we can select script name like Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty. This is a expiry date, the exchange option or NSE, F&O, everything is are available. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Next one is a normal order or MIS order like this. Yeah. This screen specific for index option trade. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here we have put a strike price and a call option, put option. Then trigger price also we need to put here. Okay. Yeah. Suppose we put a quantity of 0 here. Okay. It will take the quantity size from the user settings page. Okay. Yeah. This is the user settings screen where we have already defined the quantity size for Bank Nifty and Nifty also. Okay. Then we have put a target price and trailing stop loss points also we have mentioned here. Okay. If we set a lot size of 8, the order will be placed for all user under the admin with the same quantity. Like high capital users also the same quantity, low capital user also the same quantity. Okay. Here we fill the strike price, trigger price, and the price. Okay. Trigger price means the above price. Okay. I have filled that all prices, all values. Then click on the order place button. Yes. So now orders are placed to Allies Blue. Check. Yes, we have checked the Allies Blue, so orders are placed. Correct. Orders is still not executed. It's a pending status only. Trigger pending status because of price is not crossing the our trigger price. This is order management screen. Here we can see the pending order, completed orders, and live positions data also. This screen is not only for displaying the manual order entries. It's common for displaying the Excel, MT4 and Chartlink entries as well. Currently, buy orders are placed for two users. Okay. The live price is 228. Our trigger price is set at 245. Okay. When the price reach 245, then the buy order will be executed with the quantity size of 120. Okay, because we have set a 8 lot in our manual entry section, correct? Yes. Yeah, it's a order execution time. Okay. Yeah, yes. Incomplete order. Okay. Yeah, these orders are rejected because of due to low balance. Okay, these two users having a low balance only. So that's why 120 quantities are not executed. Okay, in live position is empty because still orders are not executed. If you want to increase the lot size for particular user, you should turn off the is trade enable settings for other users. Okay. Then go to manual order screen and place the order. Manual order screen, yes, and place the order. Okay. At this time, the order will be placed only for is trade enabled user. Okay. Yeah. We can check this. Yeah. Your new pending order has been placed for that particular user. Correct. The lot size is we have mentioned 12 lot. Okay. 180 quantities are added. Correct. Yes. So here also the pending order section also we can see this like a 120 orders here also added. Yes. Yeah, now we will try to place the order for those two rejected users. Okay. We will enable the order execution setup for these two users only. Okay. Yeah. Then go to the manual order screen. Okay. Here we put a quantity at 0. This means the quantity will be taken from the predefined user settings. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now we have 50 quantity or one lot. Okay. Order has been placed. If you put the quantity at 0 in the initial stage, the order quantity will be taken from the user settings for all users. Okay. So high capital users will receive the high quantity and low capital users will be receive the lower quantity size. Correct. There is no need to place order multiple times. In the same way we have used for that user setting values for target and trigger price as well. Yeah. Now the buy orders are executed. Yeah, they will display in the live position tab. Okay. Yeah, live position will be updated from the website. Okay. Yeah, afterwards the system will be placed square of order automatically and display under the pending tab. Okay. Yeah, this square of order will be placed based on predefined inputs. Okay, for like the trigger price and SL price, everything. Okay. Yeah, the below section is used for the booking profits like booking full profit or partial profit or exit at market price or booking the losses like this. Okay. Yeah, I will explain briefly in that the bottom of this section. Okay. Yeah, first we need to select all checkboxes. Okay, then after that the first one is a limit order. Okay, the second one is a normal stop loss order. Then third one is a market order. The fourth one is a cancel order. Suppose if you want to cancel any order means you can select that cancel. Select all checkboxes, then click on that cancel button. So every orders are cancelled. Yeah. Then next one is a partial order. Okay. For example, if you have a quantity of 300, okay, and you want to sell 150 quantity at a specific price and another 150 quantity at a specific price. For example, 150 quantity you want to put order in a 300. Okay. Another 150 quantity you want place at 350. So then you can choose this option. Okay. Then another option is above and below current price. Means suppose price running in a 250, that time you want to place 150 quantity as a 300, another 150 quantity as a 200, then you can choose this second option. Okay, suppose uh, both price are above below current price. Okay, third one below current price means price currently running at 250, that time you want to place 150 order is a 200, another 150 order is a 150, so that time you need to place two stop loss orders. Okay, so it's automatically split your whole quantity to two orders. Okay, so just you can choose this particular order, whichever orders you want, you can choose this. Okay. Yeah, we will see in the live market. Okay. Yeah, so currently the positions are running. Okay. Yeah, in the pending tab. Yeah, it's a live price is updating here used on website. Okay. Now the positions are going loss. Here the total losses are here calculated. Okay, in the bottom of table. Okay, okay. Come and see in live market. I will update the sell pending order. Okay. First I will select all checkboxes. Okay. Then then I will enter the 300 in text boxes and submit the limit order. Okay, update limit order. These limit orders are updated for all accounts. Okay. Then again I selected check all checkboxes. Okay. Now I updated the partial orders. Okay. So first I put a 300, then second I put a 200. Okay. Then I click on this above and below current price button. Okay. So this time your 300 orders are splitted to two separate orders. Okay. Like suppose you have a 300 means 150 orders are splitted. 150 orders for 300 price, another 150 orders for 200 price. Okay, it's automatically splitted based on your quantity size. Suppose your quantity is 60 means it's splitted for 30. Okay, yeah. Here is a 15, so we can't split, correct? So that's why the 15 orders are not splitted. The 120 orders are splitted to 60, correct? It's automatically splitted. Okay, yeah. So one is a trigger pending order, another one is a open order. Okay, trigger pending is a stop loss order, open order is a our limit order. Okay, both orders are updated here. Okay, when the price comes to 300, it's automatically executed at 300. Yeah, in our MT4 Excel chart link orders also listed here. Okay, then we can easily update at the trailing stop loss and limit order also we can update for that order also. Okay, so manual order also listed here. So both we can update it for this. Okay, yeah. Now price crossed to 280. Okay, we will update the trailing stop loss to 270. Okay, yeah. If the price cross to 300, then we will update to 290. Okay, yeah. After the price cross to 310, then we will update to 300. Okay, yes. So current price is 310. Okay, yeah. Okay, 310 is current price. Okay, yes, 350. Yes, yeah. After the price cross to 320, then we will update to 310. Okay, yes. After the price cross to 320, okay, then we will update to 320. Yeah, yes, yeah, the our trailing stop loss are hit, correct? Yes, yeah, the 320 our trailing stop loss are executed. So, okay, yes, our all buying and selling orders are executed, so no pending orders are available, correct? Yes, so all orders are executed, like we have put up four orders, correct? All four orders are executed at the same time. Okay, so the same way we can update the trailing stop loss for more than 100 accounts easily. Okay, yeah. Now we have put order for these four accounts. Okay, we can log into Alice Blue trading account. Then we have compared to our profits. Okay, here the profits are listed. Okay, yeah, this is for one of them our client account. Okay, we go to our portfolio. Yeah, it's showing for 22,000 profits. Okay, just compare to our software. Yeah, here also 22,000 profits are running. Okay, four orders are executed. Okay, twos are buying, twos are selling. Okay, yeah, for this particular user for like a 27. Okay, last digit. Okay, yeah, here also four orders are displayed. Okay, just we have using for that Alice Blue API. Previously, when we placed multiple orders using Next software, we had to update each account separately for updating the trailing stop loss and target prices, correct? Yeah. During those days, we missed good profit for this delaying order. Okay. Yeah. But however, using in this software, we won't miss any price movement. If you want more information, kindly WhatsApp me. I will create login for you and use this software. Okay, yeah, it's mainly designed for account handling person and algo traders. Okay, yeah, in our next video, we will see how to place orders from Excel, MT4 and Chartink. Okay, and how to place orders to this software. Okay, yeah, kindly like and subscribe to our Trade Wizard channel and kindly share to your friends also. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for watching.